Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome back to the max session. I am here, your Jasdeep ma'am from the Little Star School. In question number 7 of exercise 7.4 from the page number 154, the question is find the answers to following. Write and indicate how you have solved them. So here you have to indicate that how you have solved them. So they are telling A is 5 upon 9 equal to 4 upon 5 question mark. They are asking us that 5 upon 9 and 4 upon 5 are equal. So for that we have to solve it. 5 upon 9 and 4 upon 5. As you can see that numerator and denominator both are different. So it is unlike fraction. So for solving it, what we have to do? We have to convert into the like fraction. Then only we will get to know that they are equal or not. Right? So convert into like fraction. Like fractions. Okay. For converting into the like fraction, we need to take out the LCM. So we'll take out the LCM. 9 and 5. 3 3s are, in 3 table 5 is not coming. So we'll write down like that only. 3 1s are and 5 1s are. 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 45. So we got the LCM 45. Right? So 5 upon 9. So we'll multiply by 5. So we'll get 45. Right? So in denominator if we have multiplied by 5, so I have to multiply in numerator also. So 5 5s are 25 and 9 5s are 45. 4 upon 5. By which number I will multiply? So I will get 45. I have to multiply by 9. So in numerator also I will multiply by 9. 4 9s are 36 and 5 9s are 45. So 25 upon 45 and 36 upon 45. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. 25 and 36, they are not equal. So what will write? Hence, 5 upon 9 is not equal to 4 upon 5. Right? Here we have indicated that how we have solved it. First we have converted into the like fraction. For converting into the like fraction, what we have done? We have to calculate the LCM. Right? And with the help of LCM, we have done the similar denominator. And then we get to know that the 25 upon 44 and 36 upon 25 upon 45 and 36 upon 45 are not equal. Hence, that's why we have written the conclusion that 5 upon 9 is not equal to 4 upon 5. Okay. Now we will do the B. Is 9 upon 16 equal to 5 upon 9? 9 upon 16 is equals to 5 upon 9. So in this also, what we have to do? We have to convert into the like fraction because as you can see that they are unlike fraction. So convert into like fractions. Okay. So take out the LCM. 16 and 9. So 16 is coming in 4 table. So 4 4s are. But in 4 table 9 is not coming. We'll carry down. We'll write it down like that way only. Then 4 1s are. 3 3s are. And 3 1s are. 4 4s are 16. 16 3s are. Now I'll say I'm not knowing 16 3s are. So multiply it. 16 3s are. 6 3s are 18. 3 1s are 3 and plus 1 4, 48. 48 into 1 3 is remaining. We'll to multiply by 1 3. 8 8 3s are 24 and 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So here we got the answer. LCM we got 144. Okay. Nine upon 16. Now in denominator we need 144. So again you will say that I am not knowing the table of 16. But if you'll use your mind, so 4 4s are 16 is there and 3 3s are 9 is there. So what we have done, we have multiplied 16 into 9 and then we have got 144. So we will multiply 16 into 9. So if we are multiplying in denominator, we will multiply in numerator also. So 9 9s are 81 and 16 9s are 144. Right? It is easy. Like that way only 5 upon 9 is written. In 9 table when 144 is coming, we are not knowing. So what we can do? 3 3s are 9 and 4 4s are 16. So when we are multiplying this both number, then only we are getting 144. Right? That only we have done till now. So we'll multiply what? We'll multiply 9 into 16. 9 into 16. So you'll get the answer 144. So 5 16s are, if you are not knowing, then multiply it. 16 into 5. 6 5s are 30. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 80. We got the answer 80. Okay. Now, therefore, 81 upon 144 and 80 upon 144 are equal? No, they both are not equal. Right? One number difference is there, 81 upon 144 and 80 upon 144. Right? So, what we'll write here also? Hence, 9 upon 16 is not equal to 5 upon 9. Like that way only, you have to solve C and D. In question number 8 of exercise 7.4 from the page number 154, here the problem sum is given. Ila read 25 pages of the book containing 100 pages. Okay, 100 pages book is there and Ila has read 25 pages. Lalita read 2 by 5 of the same book. Lalita is the friend of Leela and she has also read the same book, but 2 by 5 she has read. So who read less? That we have to find it. Okay. If I write the main points of this question, the first point what I will write? Total number of pages is equals to 100 in book. Okay? Yes, and then number of pages read by Ela. Okay. Is equals to 25. Then fraction of book read by Lalita, because fraction is given, as you can see, 2 upon 5. Fraction of book read by Lalita is equals to 2 by 5. As you can see that 1 is given in the fraction and 1 is given in the number, kind of whole number. So first what we'll do, we'll convert Leela's pages into the fraction. Okay, so here we'll write fraction of book read by Leela is equals to 25, and total we are writing in the denominator, as you know, right? In denominator we are writing total number of pages, and then the number of pages are read we are writing in the numerator. So we have to convert this into the simplest form. As you can see that 2 upon 5 is in the simplest form. So first we'll convert 25 upon 100 into the simplest form. Okay. So for converting into the simplest form, two methods are there. That it can be divide by 25. So you'll get 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100. And if you are not knowing the table of 25, what you can do, 25 upon 100. 5 and 0 is there at the unit place, means these both are coming in the table of 5. 5 5s are and 5 20s are. 5 2s are 10 and 0 we are writing like that only. Then 5 1s are and 5 4s are. See, same came 1 upon 4. Okay. So here we got 1 upon 4. As you can see that we cannot compare them because the denominators are different. So they are unlike fraction. For converting into the like fraction, what we have to do? We have to take out first LCM. So we'll take out the LCM of 5 and 4. So 2 2s are and 2 is there, so 2 1s are and 5 1s are. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 4 5s are 20. 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. So LCM we got 20. Okay. So by which table I will multiply by 5? So I will get 20. I will multiply by 4, right? So I will get 20. 5 4s are 20. So in numerator also I will multiply by 4. 2 4s are 8. So 1 upon 4. Again, by which table I will multiply 4? So I will get 20 by 5, right? So in numerator also I will multiply by 5. 5 ones are 5. As you can see that eight upon 20 and 5 upon 20. Denominators are same, so the numerator, whichever numerator is the greater is the greater fraction, right? So 8 is a greater number. So 8 upon 20 is greater than 5 upon 20. So here we got that 2 upon 5 is greater than 1 upon 4. So they are telling who read less. Always they are writing who read more or who scored more. But they have written here, read the question always properly, who read less. Okay. So what we got the conclusion? We got the conclusion that Leela read less. Number of pages you can say, right? Leela read less number of pages. Okay.